A parent. Parents. A friend. Friends. A neighbor. Neighbors. Loud. Quiet. Funny. There. These are Anna and Tom. These are their children. Tom and Anna are their parents. These are their friends. These are their neighbors. These are their parents. This is their house. Their friends' children are small. Their neighbor's dog is funny. Their parents' cars are loud. Their friends' books are funny. Whose children are small? Their friends' children are small. Whose dog is funny? Their neighbor's dog is funny. Whose friend is quiet? Their children's friend is quiet. Whose car is old and loud? Their parents' car is old and loud. Whose books are funny? Their friends' books are funny. Whose house is small? Their children's house is small. Whose dog is loud? Their neighbor's dog is loud. Whose bedroom is funny? Their friend's bedroom is funny. Whose cats are quiet? Their parents' cats are quiet.